G'day, welcome to another episode of Bushrats. I'm young Lee.
I'm Tony.
We're out here today. The fishing's been a little slow this week, so what are we doing today, Tony? Tell the people.
Going to knock up a bit of a structure out in the woods close to a local fishing spot, just so we've got somewhere to kick back and relax if the rain sets in, winter's on the way. So
somewhere we can start a fire, a couple of coffees, have a couple of darts while we're waiting.
yeah.
But we've got a whole heap of recycled materials, a bit of roadside pickup, been collecting for a little while, but we're going to get into it.
Gonna knock something up.
But you know, we get on. Yeah, we're thinking a nice structure just in here, a bit of a lid, bit of a door. Tony's just getting his lashing on.
First time lasher. I don't know what I'm doing.
Watch many YouTubes. Yeah, half-time smoke, I reckon. Thing in the kitchen, flat screen. It's gonna be tits. What's this bad boy costing us, Tone?
So far, pretty cheap. Maybe a couple of dollars.
Couple dollars. Get into it. Yeah, there's the spot. That should sit in that channel. Working on that roof, son. It's all happening, it's all happening. Four more to go. I just need one more little there she is, the final techie to the project. Bob's your uncle, mate. That's a fucking ripper, tip-top structure. There's a spare techie. Just lashing up a back wall here, guys. Gonna run some wires down here, feed some sticks through it. Real old school, get that Balinese sort of feel to it, you know.
Yeah, come on down, kids. Made a little fire pit, bit of bush at the back. And what do you want?
So everything in this whole thing is being reused, recycled. A lot of the tin was roadside pickup, pallets found in the woods, star pickets in the woods, tech screws, roadside pickup, and the bush has kindly donated a couple little branches to us, but
Looking pretty good.
come on, Tony, give the people a walkthrough.
Let's have a look. Bit of tin up the top here.
Tin up top.
That'll keep the rain off us when it's wet and rainy. A couple of pallets on the side. Calling it the kickback fishing shack.
That's the one.
Just a little tip for first timers. Pick up your rubbish.
Yep, we don't have none of that around here, but
Yeah.
this isn't. Does the job for now. Does the job. Look at that. We have a couple of raw bits of timber, a couple of tech screws, a few lashings of wire.
Yeah.
But we're going to do a few extensions to her. But we'll let you know how we get on. Till then, guys, take it easy. Thanks for watching. We're going to do a few mod cons to her, but like and subscribe, all that shit. Bushrats.bigcartel. Get your shirt, same as these. But we'll see you next time, fellas.
Hammer time.
Hammer time.